Can you do that? Can you do that? Can you do that again? Can you do that again? Can you do this job? Can you do this job?
Can you drive? Can you drive? Can you drive a little slower? Can you drive a little slower? Can you drive faster? Can you drive faster? Can you drive me home? Can you drive me home?
สำหรับคลิปนี้ถ้าท่านเห็นว่ามีประโยชน์กรุณากดติดตามกดกระดิ่งกดคำว่าทั้งหมดขอบคุณมากครับ
Can you drive more slowly? Can you drive more slowly? Can you drive slowly? Can you drive slowly?
Can you eat raw oysters? Can you eat raw oysters?
Can you eat this food? Can you eat this food? Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? Can you find 2 maids for me? Can you find 2 maids for me? Can you find your way home? Can you find your way home?
Can you finish it before noon? Can you finish it before noon?
Can you fix it? Can you fix it? Can you fix my car? Can you fix my car? Can you fix this? Can you fix this? Can you get out of my way? Can you get out of my way?
Can you give him first aid? Can you give him first aid?
Can you give me a cheaper price? Can you give me a cheaper price?
Can you give me a discount? Can you give me a discount? Can you give me a massage? Can you give me a massage?
Can you give me a minute? Can you give me a minute? Can you give me a moment? Can you give me a moment?